everyone, so today we're going to be making this beautiful piece of art. I call it In the Snow, but you guys can write any title ideas you have in the comment box below. So this is my process for drawing a body. I'll probably have a video on that later. Now I'm just outlining and adding some small details. And now I'm just going to add the snow and my background. I decided to put a little cottage house or cabin to make it a little more cozy, and I added some brick texturing and a little texture for the roof and some snow and icicles. And I just did a nice little background and added some clouds and this faint sun. Then I fixed the bangs because I realized they didn't look too great. And now I'm adding some pine trees to make it feel more not so empty. That's it, and I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you!